Hey guys, it's Danny's Queen here. I just want to give you a quick update of the grow tent and show you some of the new plants we started and some of the old ones that we had. So I'm going to turn you guys around and show you what's going on. Okay, I think these are tomatoes that we had started as seeds before he transplanted them. And then he has some more starting here. They're looking good. Some little babies. Some Creole tomatoes, some Big Beef, Amelia, and some other ones. Some more tomatoes. And these are all Big Beef. Get my arm out of the way. Get the little one right. And here's the inside of the grow tent. Boy, look at them cucumbers. That's crazy. Some tomatoes. These used to be up on the shelf. Sorry for all the noise. Boy, look at those tomatoes. They're so tall. You can see the cucumbers again. We had the bell peppers in here, but we had aphids, so we put them outside, and we've been spraying everything and stuff with neem oil, so that's why you don't see the bell peppers in here. But definitely a bunch of tomatoes and cucumbers are growing. We'll be eating good pretty soon. Look at that water, Jeff. That grow something with Jeff. Look at that, boy. Another quick look at our little seed starts and everything. The dragon fruit and some aloe are still doing good. Got a lot going on. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I just want to give you a quick update, show you how everything's growing, how everything's doing. Can't wait to eat some of this fresh tomatoes pretty soon. Just stay tuned. We'll keep you guys updated, and y'all grow that later. Bye.